Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and set a credit limit for your customers. So first thing is I'll show you what the customer looks like without this on. So I'll go to Deco Addict, and if you look here in the Accounting tab, this is the information available. If we go into settings and turn this on, it'll add a section to that contact. Let's go to scroll down here. Oh, maybe I went too far. Hold on. All right, here it is. In the customer invoices section of the accounting tab in settings, I'll check that off. If you set a default, it will essentially create a default credit limit for all of your customer contacts. Generally, we don't do that. So we'll save that. And now if we go back to the Deco Addict contact, and we go to the accounting tab, you can see now there's a new section called credit limits. This is showing you right now how much money they have that is owed. So in this scenario, they don't have a partner credit limit. We'll just throw in something arbitrary. So essentially what that does is it sets a limit of what you're personally saying this customer is allowed to spend before you decide that you want to charge them, or need to invoice them or withhold new orders until they pay prior invoices. Really, the functionalities for a scenario where you have a client that buys a lot from you routinely, their payment history is pretty flawless and rather automated, and you trust them as a company, and you have no problem sending out, $3, $10, $20,000 worth of product before you're concerned about invoicing them. So Odoo does have that built in, and it will, start throwing error messages when you're quoting sales orders for things that will, surpass the credit limit based on what they already have due in invoices. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.